I'm gonna go take this off. I can't. Saw the clip of at the beginning of the video about the Uma foundation. I am going to leave that clip in there. I wasn't going to at first because I mean it doesn't work. So like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? But I am gonna leave it in there so you can understand why I don't have a Black-owned beauty brand from Ulta foundation at this time. It is $8.18 and I could go to Ulta, but I'm not going to, so I'll just do that, and then I'll just include it in try new makeup another video. So none of my brushes I don't think are Black owned, so I'm not going to mention any of the brushes that I use. I'm just going to be mentioning the Black owned products that I got from Ulta. So I do have a concealer from Uma Beauty, and it is in the Bronze Venus. It's the number T3. I feel like I probably should have got the foundation in this Bronze Venus selection and not the Brown Sugar selection. The Brown Sugar is just too warm for me. So I'm going to take that back and, like I said, get another foundation. But I am going to conceal my brows with this product. So I'm just going to take it. Oh, that's flexible. I like that. Stick too. I'm going to take this concealer and conceal my brows. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. I blended out the concealer. The concealer is super thick. I'm not mad at that. I just needed to work quickly, but we will fix it. I don't have a foundation like I said. I do have, it's woman owned, it's Woman of Color, but it's not an Ulta. So I'm not going to mention it. I'm just going to go and put my foundation on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my foundation on. We're going to move on to concealer. I have, like I said, I use this to conceal to carve out my brows. But I also have this Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the number 13. And it looks like this. And I'm going to use that under my eye. So I'm turning back now. Okay. Oh, my God, that's not bad. Okay. I'm going to blend that out, and I'm going to use my beauty sponge to blend it out. The coverage of this concealer is pretty good. I'm okay with this. I'm definitely okay with this. I'm going to set my face with the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the color Oat Translucent. And I've used this powder before and it is so good. So I'm going to set my face. I'm going to blend that out a little bit more and then go in and press. And press and press and press. both the brownie bar and the Neapolitan bar from Beauty Bakery. And I think I'm gonna use the the Neapolitan bar to bronze my face, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna use that color first, and then maybe I'll go into the brownie bar just to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, that's pretty. Can you see that? That's really pretty. I like that a lot. All right, let's get into it. So, I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Yes, honey. And I love. And before we do eyeshadow, I am going to set here again, or bake. We're gonna bake. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place, the Nudes by Juvia's, and this just says the Nubian by Juvia's, a mini palette. And it looks like this, and this pretty palette here. So I'm going to go for I don't know. I don't usually know what I'm going to go for when I do my makeup. It just happens. It just happens. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking this color here, and I'm going to use that as my transition.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so with the same brush, I'm going to take this color here. Can you see it? Am I in focus? Okay. And I'm just going to go over that transition just a little lower. Into this shade here and darken up this look there. And I'm using the same brush, so I'm just layering my eyeshadows. I'm gonna go in with this pretty color here, and I'm gonna mix those two colors there and place it right there, and we're gonna blend that out. So don't be scared. It's gonna come together, I promise. The same color I was using, and this color here, and I'm just going to blend that out. Just like that. Taking this pretty shimmer. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna place it in my inner, just like that, with my finger, and Just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend out a little bit more. Again, with these two colors, I'm going to blend the shimmer with the nude, and then that looks so pretty. Just to blend that together, and then I also don't want that nude to get lost either. Just like that, and then I'm going to go back into this palette and take this darker shade here, and I'm going to just deepen that up right there. Not a lot. Just want to make sure everything meshes well, that's all. Take this color here and highlight my brow bone. Just a touch. Okay, so now that we're finished, well, we're finished the eyeshadow, we're not finished the eye. I'm going to go ahead and dust away this bake. First off, I did not mean to leave this one on for so long, but also. Okay, I'm back and my lashes are on, and it took me longer than I wanted to do my damn lashes, but nonetheless, they're on now. And now I'm going to be doing my under eye, and I'm going to be taking this brush. And I'm going to take this color here and just then I'm going to take that, the darker color, and just go to the center. I don't want to go all the way to the corner, just to the center, and then blend that out like that. Okay, moving on to blush. I'm going to be taking the Neapolitan Bar face palette from Beauty Bakery, and I'm going to be using this ever so softly. Actually, no. I'm going to take the Brownie Bar, this blush, because I don't want it to be, oh no, that's orange. Never mind. Back to plan A. I'm going to take this blush brush. I'm going to spray my face with the Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace Baking Spray. And it smells like cake flour. If you ever baked a cake with cake flour, or the paint my lips with the Juvia's Place Cola lip liner, and then I'm going to go into the So Rare and just fill it in. And I'm going to take this Cinnamon Churro by Beauty Bakery and put it in the center. Then I'm going to take this Snickerdoodle Lip Whip from Beauty Bakery. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. I upload every Thursday at 4 p.m. I would love for you to join the family, and that's all that I have to say. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.